Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn what it means to be a psychological counselor, and what skills, attitudes, and knowledge are required to become one. This class is perfect for anyone who wants to become a counselor or is curious about the profession. Let's begin. Who is a counselor? A counselor is a trained professional who helps clients deal with emotional and psychological difficulties. They offer specialized support and guide people toward better mental health. To be a counselor, you must have human warmth and empathy, professional training in counseling psychology, and a strong ethical foundation. In short, a counselor is someone who listens, understands, and guides with heart and wisdom. The nature of counseling. Counseling is a personal and emotional encounter. It's more than talking, it's about creating a relationship that promotes healing and growth. Problems in life are often deeply connected to our emotions, thoughts, and behaviors. Carl Rogers, a famous psychologist, emphasized empathic understanding, unconditional positive regard, genuineness. These three are key to human-centered counseling. Important qualities of a counselor. To be a great counselor, here are 9 personal qualities you need. Goodwill toward others. Belief in positive human change. Self-awareness. Courage. Creativity. Openness. Patience. Sense of humor. Concern for others' well-being. Ask yourself, do I have these qualities? Counseling requires professional training. Counseling is not something just anyone can do. You need real knowledge, practice, and experience. That means learning different counseling theories, exploring real cases deeply, practicing with supervision. Counselors must also know how to apply theory to real life. Keep improving through ongoing training. Continue studying and researching counseling. Core experiences for a counselor. To build your skill, you need experience as both a client and a counselor. Group participation like self-exploration or supervised training. Planning and organizing your own counseling sessions. Strong understanding of theories and topics. Broad life experiences and insights about people. Familiarity with many types of counseling models. These experiences help you grow as a well-rounded counselor. Core competencies every counselor must have. Here are 8 must-have skills. Respect for your clients. Objective insight and perspective. A moral and trustworthy attitude. Knowledge about human psychology. Empathy and understanding. Communication and relationship skills. Problem-solving and goal-setting abilities. Flexibility and adaptability. These are not just skills, you must live them in your practice. That's all for today's lesson on psychological counseling. If you dream of becoming a counselor, start by developing yourself, your heart, your mind, and your skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next class.